Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing yet again K1 fiance visas and specifically K1 visas for a Thai national. And in this video, I'm discussing this specifically in the context of insurance, specifically medical insurance, health insurance, for those who are looking to travel to the United States. For those who are unaware, in recent days, President Trump has made a proclamation with respect to the fact that those looking to immigrate to the United States, including family members of U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents, need to show that they will have medical insurance in order to take care of themselves in the United States without, and I believe from a policy standpoint, it's basically to show that they will not become a burden on the U.S. system, either the medical system or the state apparatus, so-called welfare system, or otherwise. So a question that has come up here recently is, how's this going to affect me with respect to my fiance in Thailand? So a recent presidential proclamation on healthcare, this was posted on travel.state.gov. Quoting directly, this requirement will apply to all immigrant visa applicants and individuals seeking to enter the United States on an immigrant visa, except applicants for K-fiance visas and other aliens entering the United States without an immigrant visa, including lawful permanent residents, refugees, and asylees. So as we've gotten into sort of on other videos on this channel, K1 fiance visas are a rather interesting animal. They are a non-immigrant visa, but they're considered what's called a non-immigrant dual intent visa insofar as the non-immigrant can maintain an intention to immigrate, but the immigration process is not completed until they adjust their status in the United States in order to receive their lawful permanent residence, also known as green card status. So again, K1 fiancés, kind of a different animal from standard immigrant visas, basically folks who are married to a foreign national. K1 fiancés enter the United States in non-immigrant status. And for this reason, this current proclamation apparently does not pertain to them, or at least according to travel.state.gov. So another thing to keep in mind with respect to this overall issue, notwithstanding this proclamation, subsequent to this, a judge, I believe in Oregon, a court in the state of Oregon, but a federal court, issued an injunction enjoining this proclamation from being put into effect until it can be further adjudicated. It remains to be seen exactly how this matter will be adjudicated, but until the injunction is lifted, the old rules continue to apply. So as of the time of this video, at least, we're not going to see medical insurance required just yet. But even if we were, it appears to me, based on the documentation that I have seen to this point, it will not pertain to K1 fiance visas from anywhere, but definitely not from the Kingdom of Thailand where we're located. So folks who are looking to get a K1 fiance visa or who are currently in the process, at least for now, there's a reprieve. Now, this might change. The injunction may be lifted. The proclamation may be amended down the road. But as it sits right now, it does not pertain to K1 visas. That being stated, the adjustment of status process is a different type of procedure. In fact, it's a wholly different procedure than the K1 visa process. And under that situation, it looks to me like under this proclamation, medical insurance will need to be shown in order to go ahead and adjust into green card status. So there may be some folks who get in on a K1 who subsequently may have issues dealing with the insurance requirement during their adjustment. But again, it all remains to be seen until such time as either the injunction is lifted and the proclamation is put into effect, or perhaps a judge and maybe appellate courts as well will find that this law is perhaps unconstitutional or will strike it down for some other reason. And in that event, we won't need to deal with this medical insurance issue at all. That being said, that is not a foregone conclusion. So as of the time of this video, keep in mind, yes, there's a temporary stay against these rules being implemented, but as it sits, at some point, we can probably presume that they will eventually be implemented. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button the bell icon below to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.